Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. As some of you know, we bought a new condo and we just had a new floor laid. And it was it's like a acrylic, I don't know, they call it engineered wood or something like that. So, but we had picked the colors. So we got a bunch of these 4x4 squares. Let me bring you up to look at the colors and stuff that we wanted. And this was one of the squares. I thought I could, this is one of the squares. I thought I could do something with it, and I wanted to show you how you can stamp on one of these. Now, these don't make trivets, and they're not really good for putting wet drinks on because they're waterproof. So the water just beads off of them. But they could still be used for gifts, and just put your like your coffee cup on it or something like that so they don't get rings on it, and just water drinks or something like that. So what I am going to be using is I'm going to be using two stamp sets, Nature's Beauty and Good Morning Magnolia. For ink, I am going to be using our black Stays On, and I am just going to be using a 4x4 tile. You can see I just stole this. Well, didn't steal. They give them to you so you can try the colors. And this is the colors, some of the ones we tried. So we didn't go for this color. We went for a really lighter one. I don't even know if I have that one. More like the Heirloom Pine, but it was, it's called Essential Oak. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start from one side to the other with just the rabbits and the deer and the coyote or fox or whatever it is. And I'm just going to stamp that. We do have our floor all done. You should see it. It's beautiful. Sure beats the baby poop green carpeting. Yeah, we had baby poop green carpeting. And I'm going to get this one. It's going to be a little messy because I moved it. You want to go completely up and down. You don't want to move it side to side. And some of these, they turn out better than others because there's not as much grain. And then where's the hello? Now you have to let these dry maybe about an hour, hour and a half before, and don't stick them, you know, the coaster tiles that we've done before with the travertine and stuff, don't stick these in the oven, no matter what. Don't stick them in the oven, they melt because of the stuff in between and the stuff on the back. So, but they come with, you can take this off, and they come with a nice little backing here. So I don't want to get my nails all, I just put my nails on yesterday, so there you go, nice little backing, and there you go. So for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stampin' Happenings, Tips and Techniques Tuesday, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.